Hello, I know that you are eagerly waiting for the fees link which is to be updated. And today I will be showing you how to pay the fees and where it is available. First of all, everyone should go to gdcwpaycompare.ac.in. Everyone should go to only to this link. Why? Because if you click on all this GDCW Pay Compare, our GDCW Pay Compare will be searched very quickly in Google or any other search engine, because the more number of clicks, what Google does is it will put in priority basis. Okay, so for that, in order to make our college popular, you need to go to gdcwpaycompare.ac.in. Before that, I just want to give you some information. There are many people who said that they are unable to log into the Gmails which are ending with @gdcwpaycompare.ac.in and they are not opening. For those, where you need to go Gmail and @gsuitmail @gdcwpaycompare.ac.in, those are two different things. So when you are unable to log in, you just click on this and just go on save. In order to log in, what I do is praveen@gdcwpaycompare.ac.in. Okay. Now our concern is about only how to pay the fees. For that we will be looking further. Now let us see, here you have an option called payment of fees. This one, click on this. Once you click on the payment of fees, you will be directed to this link, EduQFix. In that, click on select branch. Our college will be displayed, Government Degree College for Women. And let me search whether it is coming or not. 1085 17 405 002. Okay, I just clicked it. It is showing the details. I need to give the email ID and mobile number, then click on update profile. After that, select this and then continue pay. If you have more than 5 or 6 backlogs or 2 or 3 backlogs, every semester fees will be displayed here. Okay, once you click on continue and pay, you will be directed to another screen like this, where you need to click on cards or net banking and then click on pay now. Once it is over, click on download receipt and keep it for your reference. This screenshot is also needed for future reference. Right, as of now I just want to test whether this system is working or not. For that case, I uploaded only the backlog data of 15-16 batch, and final year, the present final year, only BCom students who have cleared seminars and assignments and who doesn't have any dues. Okay, don't be panic. I don't find time to upload all those things. So first I want to test that, and so I uploaded only BCom data final year, and that too who has cleared all those seminars and assignments. Those data is only being uploaded. I made it very clear for you at the beginning itself. Unless you complete assignments, seminars, project work and commerce lab for BCom, for others whatever your teachers have given, you will not be allowed to pay the fees. Okay, and don't be panic, as today is last date and we have extended that to 20th of June. So you have ample time. You have another 8 days time to pay the fees. It doesn't take 1 minute to pay the fees, and we are trying to update all those who have completed assignments and seminars. There are around another 500 students who have completed. That will be updated as soon as possible. Please don't be panicked and call me again and again that your name is not appearing. If your name is not appearing, check whether you have cleared all those things. Then only you just keep a message, not in the group. Keep message personally. Hope you all of you know my number, WhatsApp number 9491844205. And that's all. Hope everything is cleared, it seems. Once again, I am requesting you. This is only for testing purpose because I just want to try with not with the large sample but with a small sample. So I have uploaded backlog fees as well as 2017 batch. Backlog means old batch students fees, not the present year backlogs. Everything will be displayed, you need not to worry, and that will be done as soon as you complete your assignments and everything. Thank you for watching this. Please pass this information. Thank you.